Entering AiryBay, you'll find like-thinkers all over the world and start travel right away. Just pass a short registration form, enter nickname, email and password and you open a world of unlimited travels. Fill in some information about yourself. Choose your date of birth, gender, photo, your city and places you would like to visit. Now you can see all real travelers. Find travel companions with a tap of your finger. People who are ready to travel are right in front of you. Look for more fellow travelers right here. The search form is so simple. Choose whom you'd like to travel with, male or female, age and place to go, or choose popular destinations. Tap the bottom Wants to visit and see all users who want to travel the same destination. Choosing Lives in, see all the people who live in the city you wish to travel to. Start traveling worldwide right now. Look through profiles, like photos, follow the most interesting users, and start chatting using free modern messenger. Don't know how to speak a foreign language? Don't worry. We added a built-in translator for you to communicate with people all over the world. Chat, date and travel for free with AiryBay.